How to turn on high performance mode in Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R on your keyboard. After you click on Windows R, Run will open up. In here, type in powercfg.cpl. Then press on Enter or press on OK. You'll find this kind of screen. If you have option other than balanced, you can click on it. After you clicked on it, another thing what you can do is click on change plan settings. After that, click on change advanced power settings. In here, make sure minimum processor state on battery is 5%. After you've done that, also make sure plugged in and on battery is 100% and 100%. And this is how to turn on high performance mode in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.